Just recently, I started to think about when I first started writing. It was both fun and scary to find new client gigs. So, I worked a bunch of low-paying content jobs that barely gave me enough money to live on. Where do you find your writing jobs? Is still one of the most common questions I get. There are a lot of writing resources and places to find good-paying writing jobs online, but many writers don't know about them. I found a writing job that pays up to $500 a week to write about writing. I thought I'd tell you about it. I talk about this in one of my Medium stories, where I share my tips for making articles go viral on Newsbreak and show how I write, what tools I use, etc. I'm going to start telling people about online writing jobs I find. This one is the first. Here's where I found it and how you can join in. $500 a week to write about how to write. One of my favorite places to look for writing jobs led me to this. It's called ProBlogger Job Board. These writing gigs are posted by publishers who pay to do so, in hopes of finding a writer or team of writers to hire. So any jobs have come to me through this job board. The job hiring for this gig pays $0.05/word for 1,000 to 2,000 word pieces and up to 1 to 5 articles per week. $0.05/word for 2,000 words x 5 articles/week equals $500/week. And you'll be writing about writing. The example they give is the difference between bear with me and bear with me. It's for English writers that know about difficult words and phrases, according to the job posting. Anyway, if this sounds interesting,